Oh, just javelin it.
Maybe.
Game on!
Yes, you will.
Game on! Go, go. Get your bomb! Guys, straight head off.
Don't stay at the door.
Lewis, I'm coming in.
Go. Pass front. Pass front.
Wait, I hate going into this fucking room.
Killed Mark.
Nice. Wait, so they've got to get as close to this base as possible?
We're essentially to get the bomb as far as possible and they need to get the bomb close to us as far as possible.
People just fucking keep their full head out.
Aaron! Aaron! Can you push left side of castle? I'm pinned in here.
Hey, coming on! Don't shoot, I'm coming up! Oh, my fucking hand.
Did you just get shot? Some of their guns are quite sore, aren't they? Especially there.
Especially when you didn't expect it on the fucking...
Right, watch yourself when you get hit. There's ricochets hitting off that wall. Right. And they're coming back and hitting us. They don't count. Oh, god damn it, we're the last ones in here. Aaron, can you cover the left side of the castle out that window?
I can try.
Because Joe's just gone down.
Get going!
I'm going to get distracted by a butterfly.
I can't push that.
What?
Oh, it's a £10 Springer. It's brilliant, isn't it?
You have to spring this?
Aye, it was £10. Aye, it's a £10 Springer. It's brilliant, isn't it?
2 nice seconds!
His name's Albany.
He stopped being a marshal for a minute now. Ha! Dead man coming out!
I was facing the hole.
Oh, very much so.
I'm on my last, baby. Big daddy time. Guys, bring it halfway far back.
Game over!
I didn't die. Oh no, I did die. Fuck.